Guys, I'm back from my trip with my wife, and bear with me, I got maybe a little bit of a cough here, so I'm going to try not to cough too much in this video. Now, let's just talk about Bitcoin. Not too much is pumping today. If I go to Crypto Bubbles, you'll see. Now, Hex, I don't really recommend, guys. I used to have it, and I got rid of it. I just don't feel good about it. FTT, do not buy it, whatever you do. Now, I have to say that's not financial advice, guys, but this is the coin that was associated, or the token that was associated with FTX. So maybe they announced some repayments or something. That's probably why it's pumping, but it's going to quickly come down, guys. Do not buy it. You will get burned. So anyways, let's go back to Bitcoin. Now you can see there's two targets here, these yellow targets. Basically, the double bottom target is at $74,500. So this giant flag now, if we look at this, which started all the way back here basically on 23rd of January and ended with this top out on the all-time high, that target on this breakout is about $91,500 or 91.5, we'll just say. Now, if we hit the happy medium of the both, I would say about $80,000, probably where we're going to finish this, run, or because we have two targets here, I would say 80. Let's just take the average to be safe. So I think if we get there, great. Now, if we do under 80, we kind of underperformed. Also, guys, let's take a quick look here. I need to zoom in to show you this. We have not retested this trend line here. Now, previous occasions where we've retested this trend line, we didn't do well. We broke up here and retested next day, fell through. We broke above here and retested it basically once here. It held kind of a doji doji candle, and next day retested, fell through. And we even tried to break back above it, and basically that confirmed the breakdown right here, this candle. Now we broke above it here, tried to retest it here, but fell through miserably, So anyways, guys, if we take that, history in mind, basically, I mean, we didn't have very many successful retests. Only basically this one candle successfully retested it without breaking down. But on other occasions, guys, it broke down. So not good to see. Right now, we have had, several candles above. We are actually holding the 65.7 support here, this daily support. We'll see if it can hold it, tomorrow or next day. We'll see, I think it would be better to come down, retest this trend line, and get the bounce. So don't be surprised if we do that in the next couple of days. If we come down to about 65.1 or so, retest and get a bounce. We need that. So anyways, guys, let's take a quick look here at the Bitcoin dominance. Now, if we look at this, I think this is like the whole month time frame. Yeah, we're, kind of in the middle from where we've been this whole month. Over the past 5 days, though, since Friday, we have kind of surged up, though. If I zoom like this, you'll see. So basically, this was Friday, and right now we're sitting 57.69. I don't think we're going to go any higher this weekend. I do expect that this will fall down. So we just have to wait and see, guys. You never know. Bitcoin tends to surprise everybody, but I do think altcoin season is coming soon. Now, if we take a look at the chart for the altcoin, I have a 35, and basically, we're closer to Bitcoin season than altcoin season. You can see this is altcoin season index, but I do think altcoin season will come very soon. So that's why I'm trying to pack my bags before we get there. And I think over the next week or two, I might add one or two more coins to my bags, guys, that I just don't have. So last week I added Sui personally, so keep that in mind. Now, if we take a look at the economic calendar here, basically on Monday we have Chinese numbers, PMI and things. We do have a couple of speakers. We also got Chicago PMI, not too important. Tuesday, we do have some manufacturing numbers and JOLTS job openings. We do have CPI from the European Union as well, so that's kind of a hot day. Wednesday, not too hot, although we do have ADP, non-farm employment. That could be a little bit important. Thursday, we do have jobless claims. We have, S&P numbers, factory orders. This page never wants to cooperate. You just click wait. And we have some ISM numbers. So keep that in mind, guys. That could be a very volatile day. Friday, we do have probably the hottest day, where we have non-farm payrolls. And we also have average unemployment rate. We do have some speakers here too, but non-farm payrolls is probably the most important this week, guys. So if we take a look at the fear and greed, it's sitting at 63. I'm kind of surprised to see it so high. We haven't really done anything in a few days, so we'll see what happens. But if we get a red candle today, probably we drop down a little bit. But yeah, I mean, basically last week we were about 52. I guess this takes the average. So kind of surprised to see us up so much, but we'll see what happens, guys. Now, interest rate cuts, too far to speculate, but basically 53.3% believe in a half-point cut, 46.7% believe in a quarter-point cut. It's too far to speculate right now, guys. I'm not even going to speculate on it until maybe a week before, because November 7th is the day that they make this decision. So still a while to go, guys. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you on the video today. Keep in mind, right now we are holding the support. Next resistance, though, is up at about 66.6, and that's a daily resistance. Basically, we only got daily resistances for about, 6 resistances in a row until we get to basically, I think, our last resistance up here at 71.3, which is a weekly resistance, guys. So yeah, keep that in mind. We are looking good. I do expect Bitcoin to perform well still. I don't see any signs personally that Bitcoin is going to break down at the moment. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.